Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have thought of making a healthy recipe for our cravings at home only. So this is a chicken starter which I have prepared with 1 tablespoon of oil. I have named this as Italian chicken, but because I have used the Italian seasonings, you can name it whatever you want. But this is a very healthier, lighter and the tastier version, and I'm sure you'll like it. Please check out the video for the details recipe. These are all the ingredients that we will require in our recipe. First I have taken vinegar, then black pepper, then oregano, then chili flakes. Then I have cut here chicken into thin slices just like this, and I have capsicum which also I have cut into thin slices, and onions which are also again cut into thin slices. If you want, you can cut all three of them into cubes as well. And the last, we will require some ginger garlic paste and some oil and salt. That's all we will require for our wonderful recipe today. Starting with the marination, first we will add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. If you increase the quantity of chicken, you can increase the quantity of vinegar and all other marinades. Then I will be adding my ginger garlic paste. And next is our seasonings. Here I have black pepper, oregano, chili flakes and salt. Now we will mix them really well and keep it for half an hour. Half an hour is required. If you don't have time in your hand, then you can keep it for 10 minutes and then you can start cooking. So this marination does all the magic. Nothing much is left for us now. Just we will only need to fry this chicken and the other veggies that we have. That's all. Now I'll keep this marination aside for next 30 minutes. Now the chicken has been marinating for around 30 minutes. So marination is done. We'll just cook it. This recipe is very quick recipe, and if you get all the preparations done, it will be very easy for you. It will take around 10 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes to be done. We will add a tablespoon of oil into the hot pan. If this amount of oil is enough for the chicken to be prepared, and you need to keep the flame on high and then cook the chicken. So let the oil heat up a little, then we will add on the ingredients. Now we will add our chicken first into the oil. As soon as we put the chicken into the oil, continuously stir the chicken and get them cooked. So we have taken chicken breast, and if you overcook the chicken breast, it will become very much chewy and it will not have its softness and its juices within itself. So it takes a very less amount of time for this to be cooked. So keep stirring the chicken and it will be cooked in the next 2 minutes. Now as you can see that our chicken has cooked. Now we will add our onions and our capsicum and keep stirring them. We'll stir it in once the capsicums and the onions have softened a little bit, but it should retain their crunch and their color as well. Now the onions and capsicums are a little bit cooked. Please do not lower your flame, else the chicken will ooze out all its juices and would lose its tenderness. And now it's time to add the seasonings. First I'll add some salt only for the veggies. Please remember that you have added salt into the chicken. So this time the salt is only for the veggies. A little bit of black pepper powder. Some oregano. I like it more, so I'll put more. And some chili flakes. And our Italian chicken is done. Oops. Okay, so our Italian chicken is done. We'll have to just mix it thoroughly and then it's all done. This beautiful chicken starter, our Italian chicken, is done. And I'll turn off the flame now. Our starter is ready. We have just prepared this beautiful starter in just 1 tablespoon of oil. I know you guys will also love it. Please give it a try and let me know how it is in the comment section below. And please stay safe. Please stay at home. And if you like this recipe, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.